Hello friends, welcome to Prime Loan again. So today I am going to share with you my war attack videos from B1 to B5. That is our defense lineup and our war against with Arc Vanguard. So there is the all player. Golden Prime is my old teammate which is in Arc Vanguard now. So in this video I show you how to beat different bases with my war bars, and you can check my war attack in this video. So before I go to attack on B1, let's check how it's look like. So there is a B1 and it's not a headquarters 17 max, walls are headquarters 16 and weapons are almost max. So that is my war squad. I changed the skylinks with first aid. So let's move to the base, and I hope I crush with this team. Well, I'm going to try to walk this base through my primal, and I hope I can beat that base with my walk squad. Actually, this is my walk squad. So using Skylink ability in the middle, which can destroy the launcher and cannon as well, and front motors I can destroy with primal. You see, primal can jump over the walls and crash all the walls, so it is easy to handle those walls with primal. It is the TT base, time trap base, so with primal I did not face any difficulty about to timeout. So with primal you can easily beat the time trap bases. Here is the 4-star combiner on the outpost as well. With the help of track, blaster and E1, I can handle the upper portion of the base and also the OP bot as well. Well, actually the 4-star combiner ability are very good on defense as well. He can increase the defense weapon speed and also OP bar speeds. So this is the base I can destroy with my walk team successfully. So there I go. Hello friends, let's move to the base 2. So before I go with base 2, let's check how it's look like. So there is a B2. I like to walk all the bases instead of using other strategies like prime rush and cup pull. So there is the base is look like. I am going with my same team which I am using against B1. For outpost blast I can use my combiner. for secure. So let's go to the B2. 31k is the XP reward. First I'm going to deploy the primal who can make the way through front walls for my all bars, and my bars did not split around the walls. So you can see he can damage the wall heavily. Now I can deploy my all bars here and make a way through the front walls. There we go. I use the Skylink ability from the left side to destroy the mortar and other weapon. For main front launcher I use the Silver Bolt ability, and for right launcher as well same, I use the Silver Bolt ability, and right mortar I am using the Skylink ability against. Other weapons are out of the range from my Jetfire. Now I'm using the Trax ability to cover my all bars for the protection of OP bars and combiner. And yes, I am deploying the combiner as well to soak the damage for OP bars and combiner as well. My 3-star Optimus maximizes low level, so that is the reason he is easily defeated by the outpost bot and combiner. So you see, from the headquarter backside weapon I can use the E1 ability, and for left laser I use the Jetfire ability, and there is the only one main weapon left from the right side, which is the laser. So almost the base is gone. So boom, there is the B2. I am using my Valk team. So guys, let's move to the base 3. Let's check it out how base 3 is look like and which team is best for B3. It is a walkable base, so I think I'm going to remove Skylinks with another powerful tank like Hotspot and take Combiner for some safety reasons. Let's go and crush it. There is a 33k, almost 34k XP reward for this base. First I am going to deploy my Jetfire who have the flag combat on it to destroy the main front resources and the front cannon as well. After that, where my Jetfire is moved, I deploy my all team on that side. That is why my bar not going to split over the wall. So here you see that my all bars deploy from the right side, followed by the Jetfire using Silver Bolt ability on launchers and using Trax ability to cover from the OP bars. Continuously using the Silver Bolt ability on missile launcher. So there is the 4-star Prada King on OP Defense. So as you see, Primal destroy the max wall easily with one jump, and he can make the way for my bots through the walls. So using Silver Bolt ability on lasers, Silver Bolt and Jetfire in same team is very important for me because it's cheap to use, and also both flyers save my many ability points. If I have skydive with Jetfire, so it take the too much ability points. So Silver Bolt and Jetfire combo is very effective and very cheap as well. And as you see, I can beat that base without combiner, but I can take combiner myself, so I can use him to soak that damage from Scourge. So you see that all main weapons are destroyed, my all bots are alive. So B3 is almost done with Walk as well. So there B3 is boom. Put some words for my teammates like Walk with Primal. So friends, let's move to the B4. I already checked the B4 and can't take the screenshot. It's totally a max time trap base, so I can use Primal to beat TT base. First I use the Jetfire to destroy the main cannon and also tracks to destroy the left side resources. After that I'm going to deploy my all team on the front outpost, and you see Primal in one jump break the max wall easily. Using Skylink ability in the middle, two cannons. Silver Bolt ability from I'm using the on launcher, which is up to the base. Right side cannon destroy with Jetfire, and you can see the with Primal we can easily beat time trap bases because he can easily destroy max wall with his normal attack, and when he jump over the walls he can easily beat all walls in one jump. Almost, you see there is one jump and he break all the walls. Using Skylink ability in the right side to destroy the launcher and the other weapon. Alita ability can finish. You see that use left side Alita ability, and when the bots came out from the OP I used my combiner, and you can see that almost all base main weapons are destroyed by my all bots, so easily beat time trap base with Primal. So you can see that my all bars are alive except Silverbolt, and Primal is alive at the end as well. So there is the B4 I can destroy. So friend, let's move to the final base, Commander base. Let's check how it's look like. So there is the Commander base. It is not max, so I think I easily beat that base with my Vox squad as well. Let's go and crush the B5 as well. Combiner, and with same team which I'm using against B4, I'm also using same team against Commander. So first I'm using the Skylink ability to destroy the main cannons. After that I deploy all my bots on right side. I love the Primal jump. Whenever he jump, he crush all the walls which is in his way. So using Silverbolt ability on launchers, destroy cannon with jet fire, cover my all bars using track.